Hello students, in the last video we have done the electric field at an axial point of the electric dipole. So in this video we will do the electric field at an equatorial point of the electric dipole. Equatorial means perpendicular line which divides the dipole into two parts, perpendicular bisector. Okay, so let us start. First we draw the diagram. Consider an electric dipole consists of two charges minus q and plus q placed at point A and B respectively and separated by a distance 2a. Okay. Now consider a point P at a distance r from the center of electric dipole on its equatorial line, such that OP is equal to R. Okay. Now we will find electric field at a point P due to minus Q charge. That is EA. EA is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught charge upon distance square. What is distance between A and P? This is distance. If I join this A and P, this is AP. AP square into P vector. What is P vector? We have done already in last video. It is a unit vector of electric dipole directed along minus Q to plus Q. ये इसकी direction है minus Q to plus Q. Now, what is the direction of electric field? We have tried. It is a negative charge, so it is towards PA, directed towards PA. Directed towards, or you can say along PA. Okay. Now, what is the value of AP? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus Q upon. Now, we will find here. AP की value find करेंगे पहले. Consider this line makes an angle theta with dipole. Now, from right angled triangle OPA, AP square. अब AP square आप मैं यहाँ थोड़ी ड्रॉ कर देता हूँ. Okay, this is OPA. This is theta. This is right angle. AP square is equal to OA square plus OP square. What is OA? If this complete is 2A and it will be A, and it is also A. This is A. This is A and this is R. So what we get? A square plus R square. So I will put the value here. A square plus R square into P vector. Mark it equation number 1. Okay. Now, electric field at a point P due to plus Q charge. EB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught plus Q upon BP square. Na? BP square? Why BP square? Because this is a distance. A distance. BP. The line joining P and B. BP square. Now, what is the direction of electric field? As this is positive charge, it will repel. So, the direction of electric field, you can say, if I will write this point, so directed along PM. PM. Okay. Now, as we have found the value of AP here, we can find here if it is theta, it also makes an angle theta. From right angle triangle OBP, ये आपको बना के दिखा रहा हूं मैं, ये रही OBP, this is theta, this is right angle. So BP square is equal to OB square plus OP square. अब OB की वैल्यू मेरे पास क्या है बेटे? A. OP is what? R. So A square plus R square. So it will becomes AB is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q upon A square plus R square P vector. Mark it equation number 2, sorry. Now, if you see carefully, EA and EB, its magnitude is equal. There is a difference of, this is negative charge, negative charge give the direction. Okay, these two are similar. Now, then what will be the resultant electric field? What will we do here? From equation 1 and 2, it is clear. This is vector. If I take modulus, हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Magnitude of electric field. Okay, it is equal to EB magnitude. It is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by A square plus R square. Okay. So अगर दोनों इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड, ये E की वैल्यू है, दिस इज EB, ओके, दोनों की वैल्यू सेम आ रही है, मैग्नीट्यूड सेम आ रहा है, तो अब हम इसको सॉल्व कैसे करेंगे? तो इन द +1 क्लास वी हैव डन रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ वेक्टर्स. हम वेक्टर्स को क्या करेंगे? रिजॉल्व करेंगे. सी हाउ. प्लीज लुक एट द डायग्राम वेरी केयरफुली. If it consider a line PX parallel to dipole, if this makes an angle theta, it is also theta, vertically opposite angles, parallel lines. Okay, now see carefully. Now resolve the EA. I will show here, यहाँ शो कर रहा हूं, हमने +1 के अंदर किया था. ये EA वेक्टर है. If with any other vector it makes an angle theta, then this is what? EA cos theta, and perpendicular to it is what? EA sin theta. Okay, so you can say here I have EA cos theta this side, and perpendicular side क्या आएगा मेरे पास बेटे? EA sin theta. Okay, and if I resolve EB vector कैसे जी? देखो पहले, if this line makes an angle theta, ये theta बन रहा है यहाँ पे, then this line will make theta here also, because parallel lines है, complementary angles. Okay, now you see here, this is PX, here M, this is EB. Now this vector EB makes an angle theta with other vector, so it will be EB cos theta. Okay, and perpendicular to it इधर है ना, तो ये क्या आएगा आपका? EB sin theta. Okay, these are its resolved angles. So I will write here also. So here what I will come? EB cos theta, and I have dropped this, and perpendicular to it is, अब डाउनवर्ड डायरेक्शन मेरे पास क्या आ रहा है जी? EA sin theta, and here I will get EB sin theta. ओके, डायग्राम क्लियर हुआ? मैं आपको रिपीट कर रहा हूं, समझिए ध्यान से. माय डियर, हियर EA वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल टू ईवी वेक्टर के मैग्नीट्यूड के, दोनों इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड्स का मैग्नीट्यूड इक्वल है, तो इस केस में क्या करेंगे, वी विल रिजॉल्व द वेक्टर्स इनटू टू कंपोनेंट्स. ओके, तो यू हैव सीन, पहले मैंने ई ए वेक्टर को रिजॉल्व किया. ओके, इट गिव्स टू कंपोनेंट्स ई ए कॉस थीटा एंड ई ए साइन थीटा. सिमिलरली ई बी वेक्टर गिवन ई बी कॉस थीटा एंड ई बी साइन थीटा. So no need to write so much theory here. You just have to show the diagram. Now you can write here clearly EA sin theta and EB sin theta are equal and opposite. So cancel each other. ओके, तो रिजल्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड क्या आएगा मेरे बेटे, रिजल्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. अब रिजल्टेंट इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड की डायरेक्शन किस तरफ आ रही है आपकी, अलोंग px. ओके, और डाइपोल मोमेंट की डायरेक्शन क्या है जी, अलोंग ab. देखो ना, इसकी डायरेक्शन इज टुवर्ड दिस साइड, रिजल्टेंट इस तरफ, so it will come negative. Direction of electric field is opposite to the direction of electric dipole moment, so we have take here negative. Okay, so it is EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. This is the resultant electric field. Please note down this, then afterwards I rub this and then I will write here. So I will get the value E vector is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by A square plus R square cos of theta into 2. Why 2? Because EA is equal to EB. दोनों की वैल्यू क्या जी, सेम है, so 1 plus 1 2. Okay, now from we will get the value of cos theta. Similarly from any triangle, from if I take from right angle triangle OAP, what is the value of cos theta? It's base upon hypotenuse OA upon AP. What is the value of OA? OA की वैल्यू मेरे पास क्या है बेटे, ये रही A अपॉन AP. वी हैव डन ऑलरेडी AP स्क्वायर. AP स्क्वायर की वैल्यू क्या थी मेरे पास, A स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर. व्हाट इज AP? AP की वैल्यू क्या होगी, पावर 1/2. ठीक है जी. सो इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड -2 माइनस कम आउटसाइड, -1/4 पाई एप्सिलॉन नॉट 2 Q upon A square plus R square into A upon A square plus R square power 1/2. I will keep it also in bracket. Okay, now -1/4 pi epsilon naught 2 QA upon A square plus R square power 1 plus 1/2, it is 3/2. And also P vector or P is equal to 2QA. So E becomes, electric field becomes -1/4 pi epsilon naught P upon A square plus R square power 3/2. So this is the result of electric field when the point P lies on the equatorial line of the dipole. One more case left with us, when the dipole is short. अगर डाइपोल शॉर्ट होगा, मैंने आपको पहले ही बताया था, इन दिस केस क्या होगा जी, A स्क्वायर प्लस R स्क्वायर. अब डाइपोल छोटा है आपका, ये आपका बहुत छोटा हो गया, तो R when dipole is short, तो हम लिखेंगे R is much greater than A. R बहुत बड़ा हो जाएगा. So in this case A square plus R square approximate is equal to क्या हो जाएगा, R square. If I take example, 100 is much greater than 1. So 1 square plus 100 square approximate is equal to 100 square है. Okay, so this equation number 3 becomes E is equal to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R. इसके पास it will left with us R square power 3 by 2, this to cancel, so it is minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught P upon R cube. Okay, and the direction is along, यहाँ पे directed along px. Okay, so this is the electric field at an equatorial point of the dipole. Please do this. If you have any doubt, you can write in my comment box. Thank you and have a nice day.